Let me tell you about my brow story. So 5 years ago, I made the mistake of microblading my brows. Last year, I finally had them lasered off so I could start fresh. But really, my brow struggle started way before that. Back in the late 90s, I went a little crazy with the tweezers, like most of us did, and they never really grew back. Safe to say, I've tried almost every product out there, from pencils, brows, gels, you name it. And so 3 years in the making, I finally created a brush that does exactly what I was missing. This brush gives me hair-like strokes and shading at the same time, so my brows look full without looking fake. And so once I had the brush, I knew I had to create a full brow system to go along with it. So I shopped around for the best products that work perfectly with my brush, which includes a setting liquid, brow powder, and the brow gel to tame those hairs so everything stays in place. As you can see on the video, I like to start off my brows with the brow gel. Then I let that dry before I go in with the brow brush and the color formula, which is the brow powder and the setting liquid mixed together. Now, if you look closely, you can see that I still have some leftover microblading ink, but it should be completely gone after my second session. Anyway, back to the products here. What I like about this brow gel is that it dries matte, so you don't have to worry about walking around with shiny brows all day. And now for the fun part. Here you'll see me dip the tip of the brush into the color formula and just work upward and sideways to mimic natural brow hairs. But just like anything else, a little practice makes perfect. You can build your brows darker if you want, but I'm still a little traumatized from when I had my dark microbladed brows. So I like keeping mine light and simple, but you decide on your preferred brow style, natural or bold. Alright, so I'll let you enjoy the rest of this mini brow tutorial. Feel free to ask any questions you might have, and I can't wait for you to try it out for yourself. Be sure to follow my journey on my social media accounts and my YouTube page. Bye for now.